Sassy misses the up of the dog walk here because of some extremely subtle movement in the handler. So this is a young dog that is improving in her experience. Eventually, this type of subtlety won't affect her quite so much. So right here when... let's go back, hold on. Okay, Dawn's right arm comes out and it takes Sassy's attention right there. And then she is redirected back to the dog walk, but as soon as Dawn's arm lunges forward, that's where Sassy changes lead and decides to come off the dog walk. So let's see. We're on the left lead, and she switches right there to her right lead. Left lead switch to the right. Right as the handler lunges forward, the dog takes that as a cue to go past the dog walk.